Nag-courtesy call kay Pangulong Aquino ang mga miyembro ng ASEAN Business Club sa Malacanang nitong nakalipas na Miyerkules, Mayo 21. Dito ipinaabot ng mga mamumuhunan ng kanilang kumpiyansa sa ekonomiya ng Pilipinas sa ilalim ng Administrasyong Aquino. Nagbabalik ang aming kasamang si Rocky Ignacio.
Binigyan diin ni Pangulo Aquino na sentro ng transformasyon at hakbang ng pamahalaan ng Pilipinas ang kapakanan ng mga Pilipino. Ipinahayag ito ng Pangulo sa ginawang courtesy call ng ASEAN Business Club sa pangunguna ni Sobel de Ayala, Chairman ng ASEAN Business Club at CEO ng Ayala Corporation at Dato Sri Nazir Razak, Group Chief Executive CIMB Group ng Malaysia. Dumating sila sa bansa para na rin dumalo sa 23rd World Economic Forum on East Asia.
Whenever my administration is lauded for the progress our country has made, we are always quick to remind the world the transformation of the Philippines is a collective achievement, built on the shoulders of a people prepared to undertake the difficult task of reform together. It began back in 2010 when our countrymen took a stand against corruption and impunity and gave us the mandate for change, a mandate we would fulfill by eradicating corruption and fostering inclusive, equitable growth. My administration has been doing precisely this for almost 4 years now. Whether it is cutting down red tape to allow businesses to set up shop more easily, or plugging leaks and instituting reforms in our budgeting process, whether it is making massive investments in our people through skills training and education, health and social services, or enhancing the state of national infrastructure, every single government has taken has been for the welfare of the Filipino people.
Inilatag na rin ni Pangulo Aquino ang kahandaan ng Pilipinas para sa pagpapalawak ng oportunidad sa rehiyon. Ayon sa Pangulo, dahil sa mabuting bunga ng reforma kabilang na ang transparency at pagbaka sa korupsyon, nakaposisyon na ang Pilipinas para sa makatotohanang paglago ng ekonomiya. Pinakahuli na dito ang pagtamo ng investment grade status mula sa International Credit Rating Agency na Standard & Poor. Malayo na sa dating taguring sick man of Asia.
It's the time to expand your connections and forge stronger relationships with your Filipino counterparts. The success story of the Philippines thus far is proof positive that, with the desire to uplift our fellow men and the dedication to work alongside each other, we can reach greater heights. May I invite you then to consider joining us, working with us even more in harnessing the opportunities and potentials in our country today. With the Philippines on an economic upswing and the integration of ASEAN on the horizon, we are poised on the edge of even more meaningful progress that we can realize in this visit, and in what I trust will be many more visits to come.
Ipinaabot naman ni Sobel at Razak ang kumpiyansa ng mamumuhunan sa ekonomiya ng Pilipinas sa ilalim ng Aquino administration.
I think for this whole group here, Mr. President, the Philippines has emerged as a clear choice to visit at this time when your leadership, your team's leadership, have really provided the country with an outstanding economic performance at this point in its history. We believe all of these results are a testament to the kind of leadership, transparency, and strength that the country has shown under your leadership and your government's team.
We think we have much to contribute to support the ASEAN economic community, to give our perspectives, as many of us are already operating across the region.
Ang ASEAN Business Club ay isang private sector na kinabibilangan ng malalaking negosyo sa rehiyon na tumutulong para maunawaan ng mga lider ang mga hakbang para mabigyan daan ang tinatawag na regional connectivities economies kabilang na ang Pilipinas. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio.